everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I wanted to show you my next project that I'm working on, and it is 55 pages. So, it is from the gingerbreadprince.com. Her name is Lisa on TikTok, and it's the gingerbreadprince.com. It is called Teal and Pink Romance. And if you want a discount, Leigh Brashaw, all capital, for 10% off. And if you don't have a printer, you can buy all this on Amazon as a book already pre-done. This is $18.99, but then you get 10% off. And then on Amazon, the book, so if you don't have to buy the paper and the ink and the printer and all, it is $26.88. And I will put the links in my comments and work that out somehow. Anyway, so it's called Teal and Pink Romance. It is so big, 55 pages, that I had to get out my paper divider for our business. So let me move this out of the way and let me show you, because I'm going to go through it. There's so many projects that I have it divided into projects, so it's like 3-4 projects. So I printed it on hardcover because this is going to be my cover, and then I printed the back, and then here is another, and I printed on the back. And when you're printing on the back, and if you don't know the direction, then just print something that can go any direction, and I can help you with that. And then here is paper, the notes. I did print on the back, but I'll show you everything. So this is one project. So I have a lot of fussy cutting to do. And then here is the envelopes. So here is a pocket. So there's one project of it. Then here's another. So I put hardcover, not cover, but heavier duty cardstock. So you cut this out. A lot of fussy cutting I'll do tonight, and save all the scraps. And then here is this to match with the lined papers and the different journals. So you can do a journal. I know everybody calls stuff junk journals. I don't like calling stuff junk journals because it's not junk. I don't use junk. I use nice quality. So here is a folio, and I didn't print on the back of these, so I don't think I need to, because this is going to be a pocket and you won't see the back, so I saved ink. That's the good thing about getting it from her website, is that you have it forever and you can reprint what you need, bits and pieces, and add to different stuff. So if you don't buy it from Amazon, which a lot of people should and could, because they don't have a good quality printer, because I just had to buy a $500 printer. But if you don't have a good printer, you just buy it from Amazon and you have it, and you just cut the papers out. But look how beautiful it is. I mean, this right here, you're going to trim, and of course you're going to save that. And look at the cutouts that even come with it. So, and there is videos on YouTube under her name, and it will show you step by step how to put all this together. And then when I make stuff, I'll definitely have project shares and videos. This could be a belly band right here, just this piece right here, or a bookmark, and then there's the belly bands. So that's 3 projects so far. And then here's another where it is the spine and the front, and then the back, and then if you needed extra. But then this can go with it. But you can also, since this is hardcover, not hardcover, harder paper, cardstock instead of printer paper. So here is this, and you can make this a whole project by itself. So there's so many different projects here, 55 sheets. I just want to show you everything. I know I'm a hot mess right now. I'm just so excited that I'm having a hard time. And then here's, I'm still showing you stuff. So here is on cardstock because it's cards. And then I left it blank so you can write messages. And so this says large cards. You could score this and make it a card to mail. Here is tags, but you can write on the back, or you could print. But if you buy it already on Amazon, it is printed on both sides. She gives you the tuck spots. So I'm going to just show you and not talk as much so you can see how beautiful it is. There's just so much stamps. Beautiful. I'm almost finished, or am I? So these are my extras. Okay, I got some more to show you. So here is the other sheets to fill in or to use wherever you need it. And on my new printer, I had to figure out which way it goes, but if you fold it, you got to make sure it folds the proper way. So make sure you do that. So here's all the extra sheets. But look at the colors and the beauty. This is called Teal and Pink Romance. I want to show you everything. I don't even know what to make first. I don't even know if I want to make a junk journal or make something totally different. You could use these sheets and make your own scrapbook. If you print it out yourself, or if you buy it off of Amazon, you can use it for what you want. So there's all that. Let's bring it all back in. Look at all the stuff you get. It's just amazing. It's just beautiful, isn't it? It's just so much. And I had to really think about it and figure out, how am I going to print it? Where am I going to print? Because I wanted to make sure it was going the right direction and everything. So guys, look at all this. So remember to go to thegingerbreadprints.com, 10% off Leigh Bradshaw. And I have an affiliate link. I'll try to add all that. And yeah, so I am on her design team. And if you stayed to the last little bit of this, I wanted to give you a surprise. Once a month, I will be giving out whatever I'm working on to a subscriber that shares my videos, and I'll take notes and have a log, and whoever shares my videos will get to get the projects, because I got this and I can print it as much as I want. So I'm going to gift it. So share this on your sites. Let me know so I can go back and find it, and I will gift it to you. And if you don't think I do, well, you can see thank yous already. And on my YouTube channel, I did it weekly for a couple of years. Then I did it monthly for a couple of years. So I have very good credit about keeping my word. So guys, go to Lisa's site. She's been in business over 17 years. So anyway, this is the Gingerbread Prince, and I hope you love it as much as I do. There's just so much here, and I'm going to be fussy cutting all night tonight. So remember, if you share, I will take a note of it, and at the end of the month, maybe February 1st, I'll say who the winner is and mail out in the United States. If it is out of the country, you have to help me pay for shipping and handling, maybe half. All right, have a blessed day, everybody.